That's it. God, I just got the other day. All flashy lights. Oh, that one ain't bright enough. I'll put it on another setting, that's too low.
Let's get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master. Oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master. No one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master. No one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the train. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain in the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground, spell out my name.
Oh, Sunday morning blues. Yeah, I was supposed to work yesterday, but I didn't bother, so I put the job until today. But it's only an easy little one anyway. It's a little Fiat Doblo 1.3 thing, yeah, a little pea shooter thing. But yeah, it's not far. This one's only local anyway. Only take me about an hour and a half to do it, so sweet. 29 miles. No, I'm lying. 29 minutes, 15 miles. Yeah, it's only a nice little drive anyway, so that's all good. So yeah, we'll crack that one out. Let's get to it.
Buzzing like a bean, that's both clips cracked out, hanging by thread. Metal grinding in the dark shed, every pull of the trigger sounds half dead. My ratchet doesn't sound very well. Strange little screams in the shell. Rain in the guts, rust in the gear. Every turn shakes, lose my fear. Yeah, my ratchet doesn't sound very well. Used to sing, now it growls and yells. If this is how it ends, my friend, yes, we grind it till the bitter end. Sockets rolling in the sawdust, oil stain map on the floor by my boots. Tiny sparks where the leaves touch, cooking little bite mark, truth for the coops. I take rap hope round the housing, from on the switch, bringing it hold. One more bowl, one more hour in this leaking workshop cold. My ratchet doesn't sound very well. Strange little screams in the shell. Rain in the guts, rust in the gears. Every turn.
Yo. Right, we're here anyway. Raining as usual. Usual shit, innit? Right, this is the old gilt. This one's just slips a little bit every now and again. So, nice little one for Sunday morning. Oh dear, how the joys. Right, get some tools ready. Yo. Right. What do we want for this one here? Oh, it's windy out here today. Wood, gun. Gun, Fiat Doblo, same as a Punto, right? Punto and Fiat 500. Right, so I want 10, 13. These ones are weird because so many different sizes. So you have 10, 13, you have 15, 16, work this out, 17, 18. How does that make sense? You just keep them all the same size, wouldn't it bloody be easier? Alright. I want that ratchet. Wobbly, I don't know where that went. Right, so we want ratchet 19mm spanner, ratchet 13mm spanner, and we want 15mm spanner, 17mm spanner, 19mm spanner. I want 17 for the wheel nuts. I think it's, oh shit, let me write the bolts. Oh blimey, 32. Then we want, I've already got my flat screws like that. Right, I've lost myself. 32. I want extension, I want a 15mm socket. That's the things. And we want hammer, drift, chisel. Gearbox mount on this. Is it the torque's the same, or is it? Wait till I get the battery out. I don't know what that is. I think it's 18 or 19. Turn that heater up, that's not burning properly, that's throwing out loads of fumes. Right, let's get that hot. Yeah boy. Right. Right, with a little tiny screwdriver. That little one, is that my one I used? Oh, that don't. Right, let me think. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Right. Right, let's get my old waterproofs on. Oh, blimey. Twinged me back then, just leaning over. It's right, rained pretty much every day this year. Definitely glad when this wet weather stops, that's for sure. Sick of this rain, man, drives me mad. All the time. Oh, lovely, yeah, cheers, John. Thank you, mate. What's that? No. Nah, I can just crack on, mate. Yeah, no worries. Go on. Yeah, we'll do, yeah. No worries, mate. Crack this out, won't be here too long.
No, well, I guess it takes you about half the time a normal bloke. What are you doing, eh?
Yeah, about an hour and a half should take me. That's all we're doing, isn't it? It's just clutch.
I used to work at a mini garage, the business franchise.
Oh yeah.
And like they do clutches, I think.
Is that the old minis?
Yeah, well, the obviously the BMW minis.
Oh, I'll do it.
I bet you do them like.
I've got one Wednesday.
We had one guy who used to love doing them, so he used to like, here you go.
I don't mind them. Yeah, I don't mind them.
Yeah,
Get the subframe off.
They're about 8 or 9 hours.
Is that what they do? Mate, I'll do them in 2.5, start to finish. Yeah, 2.5. That's my average. 2.5, 3 hours. That's average time.
Yeah.
Depending if this, the old. Yeah. I'm doing a 1.6 petrol.
Yeah.
11 plate. I think Wednesday I'm doing that. Yeah, the older ones are shit because you've got to take the front off just for 2 little bolts. But the newer ones, they're even better. You don't take stuff. You've got to take all the front off.
So the clutch is tight on them. They go through. It's
Shit,
really,
mate.
really fragile.
Yeah.
If you hold them on the clutch for more than 2 seconds.
Terrible. The clutches are terrible, and the older ones, the gearboxes, bloody hell. Alright, no worries, mate. Cool. Hey. Look at the wind. Blowing a gale out here and all. Terrible. Oh, that's a nice car. What's that? Jaguar. Right. Let's do it, people. Yo. Yeah, my heater don't seem to be burning right. It's a bit stinky. Alright, 10 mil. 10 millims. Battery out, see what's going on. I've got my torch. Stop moving. Alright, let me get my torch, actually. Right. Ah, bollocks. Let's put random shit away, don't I? Look. Right, we've got to do on here as well. We've got to take 2 10mm out this intercooler hose. Pipe, and call it. Right, there's a bolt on there that holds this somewhere. There's a bolt or something. Is there a bolt or is it a... Yes, 10mm. You won't see that there, but there's a 10mm nut down here. Ah. Yeah. That's it. You loosen that off and it just gives you a lot more room. Right, I'll turn that heater down. I've got it on way too hot, mate. Burn off it. What number's that on? Oh, ain't that hot. Turn it down a bit. Right, so I'll get you a different angle. No, that's no good. That's no good. Oh, let me get you behind here actually. That might be a good angle. I'll get behind there. Let's have a look. Ah, come on, get out of the way, you little dick. Oh. Can you see? Pretty much, sort of. Yeah, that'll do. Right, anyway. That'll do. Right, let's bend this out of the way. We've got a bit of rubber hose down there as well. You can get it right where you want it. You go there. You go there. We go all the way around now. Pull it up out here. That's better. Let's see what's going on a bit now, haven't it? Right, gear cables. Oh shit. Right. Whew. Pull the collar back. Oh, that's tight. That ain't getting pulled back to shit. That's it. Click. Lift. Wiggle and lift. Right, you go there. Push the collar back. That one up. And what I'll do as well on these, so you can see, but down here got a couple of 13mm bolts. Let me get this torch, move this torch around a bit. Torch is shit, man. I'm struggling with light. Right, get out of the way as well. Alright. I always take them two 13mm off. Yeah, it's just that bit. It's like a selector lever counterbalance thing. Get those off. Yeah, because sometimes that gets caught up. This hangs off the side a bit much. Ah, but. Or maybe not. Right. 13mm. Oh, sick death it's weather, mate. It's getting right on my bloody nerves now. It's constant, isn't it? That's the problem. Constantly bloody wet. In a minute. Cut the 13s, get the slave off. Right. There's a little 6mm Allen key for the start motor bolt. It's in a little recess. Yeah, it's just down in there. I don't see it. Maybe. In there. This should be a 6mm Allen key. Oh, it changed it? What is it, 5? Okay, weird. No, it's 6. Why not going in there then? Definitely is 6. Yeah, yeah, definitely a 6. Looks like it's had a recon gearbox in it at some point. It's spray black. Right, 18mm for the bell housing bolts, and the top is done. Right, that is the top done. Recording. Right, hey. Ooh. That's not high enough. Oh. Look at this driveway, it's on a bit of an hill, bit of a slant. So to keep it nice and level, do on the lowest point of the drive the axles stand a lot higher, well not a lot, only a couple of clicks higher than the low part of the drive, and then at least that way it's still even. So I'll just have a little look at the front, make sure we're level. Yeah, pretty much. Do this side a couple of clicks lower. Keep it nice and level then. 17s. 17. Oh, 36 on the other. Okay. Oh, and they've changed those as well. 1919s, 36. Alright, let me get this one. That's it, but I'm not where. There's 19 spanner. Where'd it go? 19 spanner, 19 socket. 36. Yeah, got it. Flat battery. Lovely. Right, are they 19s? What did I pick up there? 20. Oh god. What did I do? Right, 19, that's not. 19. Right, let's get a 19, not a bloody 21, eh? Kind of helps, doesn't it? Yeah, right. Right. That's that side done. It's just started absolutely pissing it down. Nice. Oh, fucking hate this weather. I can tell you, it drives me mad, mate. Pissing it now. Nice. Right, I'm going to repeat the other side. We'll just do a little bit at the bottom. God. Rainy days. What, there's 16s. Right, 19. 19. Ah, come on. There you go. Ah. Get this little bar out of the way. Oh, good old rain. Right, so you got 19s there, maybe a bit. And you've got another 19 above it. What was it? 18? You never know with these. Put so many. Ah, it's 18. Put so many random bolts in. It's like what they find in a warehouse. They're like, yeah, that'll do. Shove that in the old today. Oh, this is the awkward bit because that flex is quite soft anyway. It should come out. That's all right, yeah. When you've got a really rigid flexor, you've really got to struggle to get that past. But that's sweet, mate. I'll take that. Nice one. Right, we've got 15mm bolt there. It's just above here. Bell housing bolt should just get on that if we're lucky. No, we're not lucky. Is it 16 or 15? What size is that? 16. Let's have a look. I guess 16 spanner, I think. Right, let's get the earth strap off anyway. I need to get my ratchets up top. First light switch. Oh, that's tight. Whatever will be, will be. Right. Do you know what I don't get with stupid manufacturers? Why you put the drain plug there? It's going to go straight on here. You just put it at the bottom. Do you know what I mean? It's so thick. Do you know what I mean? They're just making it so you make a mess. Right, I think that's 14 Allen key. Right, let me drain out all that. I've only got to pop the shafts out and cut the bolts around the back, so let's get this all out. This old it ain't old shit box actually. This one's actually really mint. It's well clean, apart from the little wobble there. But yeah, this is a good example of a Fiat Doblo, that's for sure. What I just got the other day. Little flashy lights. Oh, that one ain't bright enough. I'll put it on another setting. That's too low. Yeah, but look, so I've got 3 of them. 20 quid. Rechargeable magnetic. They're alright, they're better. At night time they're really bright, but obviously it's doing the day, but come on. Any sort of thing will let people see a bit. Flashy, flashy. Right, let's get this all out. Gotta love a bit of water, ain't we? Look. Lovely. Love it. Absolutely love it on a Sunday morning. Sunday morning. That one out. Right, this one we've got a couple of bolts on it, so a few little 10 mils there. 10 millims. Whatever that is, where are you? 10 mil. Right. That's 8 mil, where's 10 mil? There's 10 mil right there. Alright. Oh shit. Throwing bolts everywhere now. Alright, 10 mil up the top. 3 of them on there. Ah. Another extension. I use a colour extensions and a wobbly. All the way over here. Come up there. Right. Have I done it or not? Oh, right. Chisel. Well, that battery must have went flat. Looks it. So see. Go off in a minute. Right, anyway, so this nut out, got to take this nut out and then the gearbox ready to come out. Absolutely pissing down again. The usual shit in this country, innit, this year. Oh, mate. Great. Here we go again. Lovely. Look at that. Absolutely pissing it again. Great. Absolutely fantastic. Lovely. Get at it. Bloody hell. Get out, you little prick. Ah, mate, it's soaking wet everywhere. Proper shit. Alright, let's get that one out, I think. So there. Mate, I'm so wet today, man. Oh shit, wrong way. I'm doing a bolt up, not undoing it. That's it. God. Oh, I've got to go up or down, I can't remember. Go down a bit, I think. She's got that long stud in the gearbox. Gosh, tripping in my face and everything, man. Oh, yeah. Get that stud out when we go back in because you've got to. It just touches on everything. It's so annoying. Come on, get out, you little shit. Ugh. Fucking hell. Fucking rain, man. These studs are so. The stud's like that long. It comes out the back of the bell housing, but it just gets caught on the flywheel and clutch. Come on. Ah, shit. God, blimey. Look how long that stud is, look. And do you know what, 9 times out of 10 they don't even come out. Yeah, it's well worn that, isn't it? Right, let's get this clutch off. And then we'll lift it back in. Ugh. Sick of rain, man. Sick to death of rain. Fuck off, wind. Smooth. Shiny, shiny. Yeah, look at that. It's slipping on flywheel side. Oh, blimey. Oh, when I'm recording. Oh, bollocks. Didn't that record? Ah, mate, what annoyed me. Anyway, the gearbox went straight in the hole. Didn't get caught with nothing. Crazy. Right, anyway, let's get this all bolted up. We'll cut to me once all the bottom's done. Right, it's all the bottom in. Everything's in. All on. Right, let's go to the top. Right, got to put these little bits back together. There's only 5 minutes work up here, so I'll get that back. It's only, yeah, it's literally gear cables, battery, that's it. And then we'll cut to starting her up. Lovely. Stop raining. It's foggy though. How foggy that is. Foggy, foggy. Right. That's all back together. Oh, that bright. It's horrible to look at. That bright. That light is bright. Let me turn it off. Oh no, Jesus, fuck off. Woo! Right. Start her up. First gear, clutch bite, lovely and low. Reverse, clutch bite, lovely and low. Perfect. Right, sweet. Till next time. Right, so I think Monday I'm doing a S3. I don't know, he's bought some sort of race clutch for it, the geezer. Don't know, he's got new OE, new flyable, new slave, but he's got some sort of, I don't know, some sort of race clutch, yeah, so I'll be doing that one. Well, Monday's tomorrow, so I'll be doing that tomorrow, all-wheel drive thing. So that'll be fun, but I'll definitely get that recording and up there, because the VW stuff seems to get loads of views. Oh, so here she knows, man. Fucking right. Sick of death of this weather. It's driving me fucking mad, mate. Look at that. Look how terrible it is out there, look. Horrid. Right, anyway, till next time. Have a good one.